Hello, thanks for watching this video. In this video we're going to graph x squared minus 9, x squared over 9 minus y squared over 25 is equal to 1. The first thing to notice is that it's a hyperbola. Since we have the minus here and the plus here. Hyperbolas on a graph, they'll look like this or like this. And so the first thing that we need to do is decide whether it opens on the x-axis or the y-axis, which would be the transverse axis. Now we know that its center is 0, 0 because there's no plus or minus over here. So I'm just going to write the centers over there. And now the way I like to think about it is that you'll be open to the positive people. You'll talk to them. So since the x side is positive, it's going to open on the x axis. So its transverse axis is the x-axis. Next thing we need to know is find a and c. So we know a squared is equal to 9, so a is equal to 3. And c squared is equal to 25, so c is equal to 5. And now in hyperbola cases, it's a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Whereas in parabolas and other things, it was, or ellipses especially, it was c squared is plus a squared is equal to b squared, which is not the case anymore, which is much more exciting. So in this case, b is equal to 4 since it's obviously a 3, 4, 5 triangle. So a is going to go out, a of course corresponds to the x, so it's going to go out 3 and negative 3. Well, I should probably do all of this. So this is going to be 3, 0, minus 3, 0. This is going to be 3, 0. These are the foci, of course. And the next thing we're going to have is, that's the vertex. The foci is going to be right over here, minus 5, 0, and 5, 0. And this b right over here, this isn't really like a graph since the curves go outwards. It's not like it reaches a maximum point. In fact, it has asymptotes on it, so at 45 degrees. So to find the asymptote, it's going to be b over a x. So in this case, it's going to be 4 over 3. So y is going to be equal to plus minus 4 over 3x. Those are going to be the two asymptotes. So it's going to look something like this. And then like this. So this would be y is equal to negative 4 over 3x. And this is y is equal to 4 over 3x. And so these hyperbolas try and reach there, but they just can't. It's a very sad story. Anyways, this is how you graph it. When you really spread out, it looks a lot cooler in some ways. It looks more like an X, and in the front you can really see what's going on. It starts at A, and then it tries to make its way onto the asymptote at the slope. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.